flight as my angry father yanked it off me and my bed. My father snarled, "What do you think you're doing?" He snatched the book from my grasp. "I'm going to burn this like the rest of them."
Please, leave him alone.
My mother stood at the door pleading with him.
You promised me that you would let
Todd finish high school. My dad said what he always said. "Yes, I allowed him because I promised you, but I won't let Todd graduate with a high grade point average. Then he'll want to go to college. I was valedictorian at Harvard University." TV. I don't watch television. I've never been interested, despite my parents offering to get one for my room.
I love this game show.
Mom said, "If this contestant answers this question correctly, she'll win
$100,000.
Intrigued, I asked, $100,000? What's the show called?" "I'm surprised you've never heard of it," Mom replied. "It's a famous game show called Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? You move up in the game as you answer questions and keep making money. Contestants who make it to the final question win $1 million. Of course, the questions get more difficult as the show progresses." I sat next to her and read the question on the screen. "Which is the smallest country in the world?" "Vatican City," I said without looking at the choices. The other choices were Monaco, Tuvalu, and San Marino. My mom looked at me and said, "I think it's Monaco." The contestant on TV also said Monaco, but the host declared Vatican City as the correct answer. Way to go, Todd! If you had been up there, you would have won $100,000, my mom said excitedly. When I returned to my room, I Googled all the $1 million questions and who wants to be a millionaire. Excuses didn't make sense. "What if you get eliminated in the first round?" he complained. "I can't let you go on TV and embarrass our family. Will you please just sign it?" Mom scolded. "Todd is a brilliant kid. I'm sure he'll make us proud." Dad seethed in a fury. "He takes after you. If he had my genes, Todd would make the smart choice and listen to what I say. I don't want him going on some game show. We will not be discussing this again. Now, I need to get dressed and go to work." With that, he stormed out of the kitchen.
Send me the
My mom commanded.
If your dad won't sign,
I'll sign it for both of us. Even better, I'll come with you to the taping. But I need to do something first. She calmly walked to their bedroom door, put the key in the lock, and turned it. Inside, my dad was getting dressed. When he heard the lock turn, he shouted, "What's going on?" "Todd is doing that game show, and I'm going with him," she screamed. "You won't be able to stop him. He's going to do amazing. You've got a perfectly good TV in the bedroom, so you're going to watch and let Todd prove it to you. And by the way, you're out of here once we get home." When we arrived at the studio, my knees were weak and shaky. I stood in line as the fourth contestant. Except for Harvard. The studio broke into applause. Not only had I won
This year, between February 3rd and 5th, when you purchase a Special Olympics donut at your local Tim's, 100% of it
won $1 million, but I had also made my father come clean on national TV. When we got home, my mother unlocked the bedroom door and walked my dad out to speak with us. He apologized to me and my mom again and again. My mom took the Harvard diploma hanging from the wall and handed it to him scornfully. "Take your fake diploma and get out of our house. You're no longer welcome here," she said. My father left that day. I didn't give him any of my wins.